Okay, I'm just going to show you this quick fix that I did. Okay, so I had to replace the variable speed handle on my lathe. This is the Mastercraft wood lathe, which is very similar to other models. It has a 10 speed position on the handle. Well, what happens is over time these wear out in the back side of the handle, and then what mine was doing was I would turn the speed up and then it would gradually turn itself down. It would automatically turn itself down, or vice versa, I forget now. I think it actually used to speed up by itself. I used to keep the speed down low with a tie wrap between here and the lathe bed, so that's not safe, it's not good. So what I did was I purchased a new handle. Literally cost me $10. All you have to do is take this one bolt out, take that one bolt out with an Allen wrench, and then pop the new one in, and now it works perfect. Good solid movement, maintains its position, maintains its speed all the way up through the speeds. That's the fastest speed, which I actually never use. But it's a good solid position now. And then back down to the slow speed. You can only do this when the motor's spinning. You can't change the speed when the motor's not spinning because of the Lovejoy pulleys inside. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Just a quick one.